In today's lecture, we are going to learn about nucleic acid and the subtypes that we are going to cover. And this topic is first the introduction, then there is properties of the nucleic acid, then there are certain types, and then there is an interesting quiz for you in the end. So let's begin. Nucleic acid. So nucleic acid was first isolated in 1869 by F. Mesher. He was the person who was the first one to isolate a nucleic acid, right? So, due to their isolation from the nuclei and their acidic nature, they were named as nucleic acid. Okay, so nucleic acid are basically of two type. The first one is the DNA, that is the deoxyribose nucleic acid, and the second one is the RNA, that is the ribose nucleic acid. So let's move on. Okay, so if you can see here in this picture right here, the DNA one is this one and the RNA one is this one. If you can see, the DNA one is a double helical structure that is coiled, right? But the RNA one, that is only a single strand structure, right? DNA, it occur in chromosomes, right? It occur in chromosome in the nuclei of the cell and in most amount in very in mitochondria and in chloroplast. It is not present in that much amount, but it is present, right? Then RNA is present in the nucleolus, ribosomes, and in the cytosol, right? So nucleolus, ribosomes, right, it's present right there. And however, it is present in very small amount in other part of the cell. So there is some difference, right, between the DNA and RNA. One is that it is a double helical structure, it is a single stranded, it is present in the chromosomes in the cell, it is present in the nucleolus and the ribosomes, right? Some other differences that we can see between the DNA and RNA is that in DNA the pentose sugar is deoxyribose, ठीक है, जबकि आरएनए में जो इसकी पेंटोज शुगर है उसका नाम राइबोज होता है, ठीक है। अब इनकी जो बेसिस हैं, तीन तीन बेसिस दोनों में बिल्कुल सिमिलर है, एडेनिन, ग्वानिन, साइटोसिन, ये दोनों में आपको मिलेंगी, बट द डिफरेंट बेस that is present in DNA is the thymine, but the one that is present in the RNA is the uracil, right? Then अभी मैंने आपको जैसे कि बताया, नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रैंड्स डीएनए में डबल हैं, डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है, जबकि जो आरएनए है वो एक सिंगल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर हमें बनाता हुआ नजर आता है, राइट? Okay, so here as you can see that the DNA, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, it is present in the chromosome of the nucleus in the cell. This picture is a depiction of what I have just said, right? This is a bigger picture, right? But this one is a more internalized version of the same picture, like the DNA is present in the chromosome in the nucleus in the cell. That's how it takes place, right? Okay. So, अगर हम देखें तो nucleic acid are very complex substances. They are the polymers of the units called as nucleotides, right? They are the polymers of nucleotide. The diagram that you can see is the structural formula of ATP. That is a nucleotide itself. If you see here, there in a very typical structure formula of a nucleotide such as the one you are seeing on the screen, the nitrogenous base is attached to the position 1. Here the nitrogenous base is attached, right? It is attached to the position 1 of the pentose sugar. Position 1 पे जो हमारे पास pentose sugar है ये उसके साथ attach होती है. उसके अलावा जो phosphoric acid है हमारे पास वो position नंबर 5 के कार्बन पे attach होता है, right here, right? It is attached right here with the position 5 of the pentose sugar. So this is how a typical structural formula of a nucleotide look like. Okay, there is an interesting thing that the DNA that is present inside the chromosomes is known as the chromosomal DNA, and the one that is present in mitochondria and in the chloroplast, it is known as an extra chromosome, right? Or the number or the non chromosomal DNA. So the one that is present in a mitochondria or that is present, we can say, in chloroplast, that is known as the non chromosomal DNA or the extra DNA, right? As you can see in this picture, here this is the RNA structure, this is the DNA structure. Here different bases are connected together, right? Here you can see the different colors that are depicting them, right? So अगर हम ब्लू को देखें तो जो साइटोसिन है वो हमेशा ग्वानिन के साथ ही पेयर बनाएगी इन डीएनए जो मर्जी हो जाए. जो थाइमीन है वो हमेशा एडेनिन के साथ पेयर बनाएगी एज यू कैन सी राइट हेयर, राइट? सो और उसके अलावा अगर हम देखें तो तीन तीन बेसिस दोनों में सेम है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो यूरेसिल है वो यहाँ पर आपको नहीं नज़र आएगी. उसके अलावा जो यहाँ पे थाइमिन है वो आपको यहाँ पे नज़र नहीं आएगी. सो दिस इज सम अदर डिफरेंस, राइट? ओके. और अगर हम ये देखें तो ये एक कंपोनेंट्स हैं न्यूक्लियोटाइड के. दीज आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ दीज आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. ठीक है, इसमें अगर हम न्यूक्लियोटाइड के कंपोनेंट्स में अगर एक डिफरेंस देखें तो यहाँ पे आपको ये नज़र आएगा कि जो बेस और पेंटोज शुगर है उसको हम न्यूक्लियोसाइड कहते हैं. ठीक है. और जो न्यूक्लियोसाइड और फॉस्फोरिक एसिड है जब वो आपस में कंबाइन होता है, न्यूक्लियोसाइड प्लस फॉस्फोरिक एसिड, इट फॉर्म व्हाट? इट फॉर्म्स न्यूक्लियोटाइड. ठीक है. सो ये आपको उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिल रहा है यहाँ पर, राइट? और जो एटीपी है वो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूक्लियोटाइड है जो कि यूज्ड होता है एज एन एनर्जी करेंसी बाय द सेल्फ, राइट? Okay, so now the quiz time. So nucleic acid are polymers of what? Ribosomes, nucleotides, or ribose. As we discussed just in the beginning, that nucleic acid are the polymers of nucleotide. So here nucleotide is the correct answer. DNA occur in, the options are chromosomes, fibrous protein, or amino acid. फाइब्रस प्रोटीन नहीं हो सकता, अमाइनो एसिड भी नहीं हो सकता. डीएनए इट अकर इन क्रोमोसोम इनसाइड दिस सेल as we have discussed. So here it is the correct answer. So this conclude our lecture for today. If you guys got any query, you can ask them below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.